guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vonnie G's here, and I'm bringing you my nighttime skincare routine. It's super simple, nothing crazy, and I'm going to talk you guys through it. So the first thing I do in my skincare routine is hydrate my skin with some water. I like to kind of wake up all the dirt on my face. And then I use the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Cleanser. I use this during the nighttime and daytime. It has ginseng and vitamin C in it. So I use that all over my face and I just massage it into my face. And it also has bursting beads, which feel really nice on the skin, and it gives me some extra exfoliation. While I still have my cleanser on my face, I go on with my St. Ives Apricot Scrub. It is a deep exfoliant. It removes impurities and it helps my skin glow, and I really like it. It's oil free and it's really nice on the skin. I try not to rub it in too hard. I try to just let the exfoliator do its job. I don't really press into my skin, but this is the second step into my nighttime skincare, and I try to be super gentle with my skin. I try not to do too much. I don't have really sensitive skin, but I just don't want to do too much to, irritate my skin. Then afterwards, I rinse off my face and I pat it dry. And then I go on with a moisturizer. The moisturizer I like to use is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. And this moisturizer is really good. It's for acne prone skin. I don't have acne prone skin, but it is a really nice moisturizer. It keeps my skin hydrated, and it puts a lot of hydration back into my skin after I use the cleanser and the exfoliator. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like it. Also, leave a comment below on other videos that you would like to see. And subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you next time.